Hello everyone. In my previous video post, I explained to you how this computer works and executed a program on it. In this video, I'll execute a different program. So over here, we have two programs. This one initializes this memory with some random data. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, so there's our memory, and this program sorts these data in the memory. The algorithm that it uses is bubble sort. This might take a while. Okay, there we have it. So while this is completing, I'll also explain to you that beneath this computer there's a row. Okay, it's not very obvious, but there's a row of IR LEDs which are in front of these IR receivers. So oh yeah, there it is. A row of IR LEDs emitting infrared signals towards these IR receivers. So yeah, that's how the reading mechanism works on this computer. I forgot to explain that in the previous video. So yeah, there we have it. Our memory is now sorted out. Yeah.